Hey guys, we're at another property. Let's check this one out. Someone contacted me and they want to sell it just like this. I've never seen the inside. Let's go. I wish you could smell this. This smells really bad. Oh, the floor is really soft. Like might fall through. Ceiling stuff's falling out. It's actually pretty horrible. It's a pretty bad condition. Even though that this house is in this bad a condition, I will still buy a house like this. If you have a property that you are looking to sell and you've had tenants who've just trashed your house, I'll buy nice houses, I'll buy trashed houses, it doesn't matter to me, I'll buy them all. Go to my website, simplysold.com, and see if I'm a good fit for you. Not every buyer is a capable buyer. I believe we have a great track record. So if you are looking to sell your property, let me know. Go to the website and let's have a conversation and see if we're a good fit. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. Yuck. That's a crazy one right there. Every house needs an owner, right?